Financial Credit Union, where you can get up to $50,000, yes, on one card. They also offer personal loans. They offer personal lines of credit, and they also offer auto loans. We're at the website here. And the good thing about a couple gems with this, couple data points with Unify Financial Credit. But before I get started, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification. That way you're going to notify whenever I post a new video. Also, smash that like button. Smash that like button. It really does help with the algorithm. All right, so anyone can join. This is not like restricted. The way you would join, there's 4 ways to join. So you would just go to where it says become a member. So an immediate family member with Unify account, that's how you can get in. That's one way. A work perk, basically, if your company offers Unify as a benefit, all employees at your workplace and their household members and immediate family can join. That's 2. And the other thing is, if you have the code, anyone who lives or works in the select zip codes is in as well. We'll check the zip code during your account opening. So join your neighbors. That's the other one. But the most people are going to select this option, right? And this is basically, you have to sign up to a nonprofit. I forget what it's called. It's called the Hobbs State Park in Northwest. You just have to sign up to this, right? You put your information here, and then that's how you can join and be a member to Unify Financial Credit Union. Now, a couple data points. All right, first data point. It's going to be a soft pull to join the credit union. Okay, that's number 1. Some credit unions like PSCCU, they do a hard pull for them to join the membership, right? That's number 1. Number 2, they will be pulling your Experian if you proceed with the product. That's number 2. Number 3, they have been known, right? Data points change all the time, so just keep that in mind. They have been known to do 2 things. Number 1, they are going to check systems. I know that. Number 4, that sometimes they do ask for documentation, even for the personal credit cards. I think that's more so for people who don't have such great credit. But, you know, it's hard to tell. Everybody's situation is different, but I do want to point that out. I've been told from the data points that I've looked up that they sometimes ask for documentation even for the credit cards, okay? So just keep that in mind. So another thing, another gem that Unify offers, you can actually fund the account with a credit card. Let me say that again. You can fund the account. If you're trying to meet up a sign-up bonus, you can fund the account, $2,000 on the checking and $2,000 on the savings, so a total $4,000. You can fund the account with a credit card, and it's not considered a cash advance, okay? Another thing, with their own credit cards, they have no annual fee and no cash advance fee. Let me say that again. No cash advance fee. Every card has most cards, 99% of cards, credit cards have a cash advance fee where they'll charge you a cash advance fee, a portion of what your total limit is. So if it's $10,000, it might be $2,000 that you could take out as a cash advance. And I never recommend anybody do that. This particular credit card does not offer a cash advance fee, no balance transfer fee. So if you go to credit cards, they have the Visa Engage. It tells you all of it right here, up to $50,000. No cash advance fee, no annual fee. Get 5,000 points when you spend $2,000 in the first 90 days. Now, again, this is for 50,000 approval, instantly approval. It's unlikely unless you have tier 1 credit, right? Tier 1 credit, you have a lot of accounts. You have decent limits on the personal side. Obviously, no charge-offs, no late, no derogatory items, but they do offer up to 50,000. These 2, the Visa Engage, this is more so for rewards, and then this one is a fixed rate, which is actually very good for a credit card, 9.49% up to 50,000. Again, no cash advance fee. Then they have the Visa Gold credit card, no annual fee. This is up to 50,000, and then this one is up to 5,000. And this is a secured credit card, right? But you have to keep in mind that the higher the limit, the higher your score has to be. But one thing that you can do, right? This is another gem. If you're patient, if you are patient and season the account, you wait 30 to 60 days, you will get a pre-approval. If your score is good, they will be soft pulling your Experian when you join the credit union. They will be soft pulling your Experian. So they're going to go off that credit report. And if you wait 30 to 60 days, you're very likely to get a approval for a credit card or auto loan or whatever the case is. They do offer personal loans as well. All right. Let's go to personal loans. Here, personal loans. They have personal loans up to 50,000, loan amounts minimum 500, up to 84 months, which is a very long time. And then they have signature line of credit, which is basically like a PLOC, right? Be ready for repairs, catch shortfalls, any other expenses with a revolving line of credit. Now, keep in mind, I know for a fact most PLOCs, they're going to ask for documentation. Pay stubs, bank statements, probably pay stubs, right? It goes minimum of 1,500 all the way up to 15,000. Can be used for overdraft protection, variable line of rate, and then you get a discount if you do automatic payments. You get a quarter of a discount point for your thing. Now, keep in mind, again, they are probably going to ask for documentation for a line of credit, right? Because that is cash in the bank and it's revolving. And then they have the debt consolidation loan up to 50,000, rates as low as 14%. The longer the term, the higher the interest rate. The shorter the term, the lower the interest rates. Guys, let me know in the comments if you have any of these products, any credit cards, any personal loans, any auto loans. Let me know in the comments. Let me know your data points. And if you have this card, what approval did you get? And again, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification. That way you can notify whenever I post a new video. Also, smash that like button. And don't forget to join my free group where we talk about leveraging your credit to create cash flow. We talk about personal credit, business credit, real estate, e-commerce. We're all trying to leveling up, leveraging credit. That's my time. My name's Toby Rosario. Peace.